welcome to week 4. This week we are going to be looking at the coding clinic. Again, for the discussion, please make sure that you review the announcement for the video walkthrough. You can access the coding clinic through 3M, and I walk you step by step. There also is another resource, and it's actually an MCCG resources. There's a way that you can access 3M, and there's some video guides that will navigate you through that. So those are 2 resources you can use. When you are using, citing the coding clinic, the one thing I want to make sure is that you are, at least so that I can tell you're looking at a coding clinic, you can either copy and paste the coding clinic, or just like locate what year you found it in, just something that shows me that you're looking at a coding clinic. The next thing that we're going to look at is patient coding scenarios. You do need a HemoB lab to do this. So you're going to look up the cases, and it's going to walk you through a scenario. So make sure you look at the rubric to identify how that will be graded. Many medical records, just note this is not a graded assignment, so it's for additional practice, so I would take advantage of that. Also, there's a weekly review, and it's actually in Chapter 5, the chapter review, but if you click on this link, you'll access it from here, not the actual book. And then your reflection is just a continuation from the coding clinic that you're going to talk about for this week. So let me know if you have any questions, and there's an additional extra practice as well in week 4 for additional practice that's not graded. So let me know if you have any questions. Have a good week.